Hi, I'm Aaron, and let me show you why using general content tools like ChatGPT is the biggest mistake people are making in SEO right now. In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to show you why the new Spin Rewriter AI completely solves this problem. And I'm also going to show you how the real professionals are doing SEO and getting their content right now. So we're going to do a time challenge. We're going to create 500 completely unique, human quality, undetectable SEO articles in less than 90 seconds. And we're going to use nothing but the new Spin Rewriter AI to do it. First, we need an article. Let's click Fetch a New Article, and let's imagine we'll be promoting a website about guitar lessons. Let's pick this article, and bam, there it is. Now we'll take each paragraph and rewrite it like we're Shakespeare. Let's click Rewrite Paragraphs with AI. And now it takes just a single click, and you can already see the magic happening. Our cutting-edge AI is rewriting each paragraph, and every rewrite is done with absolutely mind-blowing quality. Mind you, I'm not doing a single thing right now. I'm just relaxing and watching the magic unfold. And I'm telling you, this never gets old. All this effort, I can watch all of this work just being done for me, without me having to lift a finger. Okay, so now all of our paragraphs have been rewritten by mind-blowing, human-quality AI in just a few seconds. Let's use the new ones, and as we're done with paragraphs, it's now time for the next step. This is where Spin Rewriter's AI will rewrite our article in terms of individual words and phrases. For this, we'll be using our famous one-click rewrite option that will give us all of the best synonyms. Now, if you want manual control over each word of your article, you can also do that. But our AI will always do a tremendous job for you. Okay, now we've got our rewritten article right here. We can generate a unique version simply by clicking this button. Bam, here's our article, and it's 99% unique. And every last article we generate will be just as unique. Now, we want our 500 articles, right? Let's click Export. Let's have each article in its own text file and 500 different versions. Now we just hit the button and ready to download. How easy was that? 500 unique articles in less than 90 seconds, and they are all absolute top quality. And while we're at it, let me show you a few other superpowers that Spin Rewriter will give you. It's incredibly easy to add relevant videos, just like this. Guitar lessons, and bam! Here we have them. We can optimize our article for SEO and have the AI write a title for us that will grab the attention of your readers and rank amazingly well on Google at the same time. We can translate our unique article to Spanish with just a few clicks. Here we go, and it's an absolute world-class translation. It's also extremely easy to post your article to your WordPress websites with just a click. And let's talk about another life-changing feature for everyone who does SEO. This right here, this is our Text Humanizer. It lets you add tiny little human imperfections into your articles, and this makes your articles stand out as 100% genuine. There's no way anyone could ever tell your articles were generated by AI. So let's humanize our article. And look at all these tiny changes our AI introduced. Our article has now been finely tuned to be undetectable as AI generated, and it's been fully optimized for SEO. How amazing is this? And let me tell you, there's dozens and dozens of other powerful features all waiting for you. It's all pretty incredible, right? Oh, and finally, there's one more thing. Our cutting-edge AI is built on top of something called large language models. LLMs are the exact same technology that Google is now using to rank the quality of content on the web. And this means when you're using Spin Rewriter AI, Google is basically trained to love all the unique content you'll be generating. Google will find your content irresistible. But we're not stopping there. We have crossed the LLM technology with our own emulated natural language. With ENL, all of your articles are finely tuned for best SEO results and best rankings. And when you add our Text Humanizer on top, you've now got actual, unstoppable SEO superpowers. We're talking about top quality, unlimited content that is 100% genuine, human-like, and fully optimized for SEO. You can never get this from general tools like ChatGPT, and it's truly the only way anyone should be doing SEO in today's world. This is an absolute game changer, and it's no wonder more than 180,000 people absolutely love Spin Rewriter. And you want to know the best thing about it? Spin Rewriter is completely free to try. Seriously, grab your completely free trial account below at no risk and see for yourself. Welcome to the family, and I'll see you inside.